Playing the dust. The hardest thing of me on mobile. Hard to move, hard to drag. Doing what it takes to defeat Dead Rails. Solo. Mobile. Welcome to the hardest thing ever I did. Welcome to Freedom the Best Dead Rails. Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Dead Rails. Narinig niyo naman. Welcome to Freedom the Best Dead Rails. Ngayon, kaya ginawa ko to para lang guys, ang hirap na ito. Magpapalakas ako ng queens. Ito yung pinakamahirap kong ginawa. So, let's start our doing. So, please, no. Welcome back to the new new video. Ngayon, para mag-daily na ako maglalaro ng laro ng mga Roblox games. Baka lagi ko itong lalaroin. Please click na lang yung parang gusto ko yung ito lang kasi oh. Ito lang kasi kailangan ko talaga mag-screen. Kaya kailangan ko talaga ng 3 long kamay. Then or what? Okay. Kita nyo naman. Oops. Hirap. So, mamaya kapag natapos, naggawa ko ng short. Basta short. Sa Dead Rails. Kung na-post ko to. So, parang meron akong bad news. Same sa good news. Parang baka mag-stop lang ako ng few months. Baka months kasi mangyari. Baka mag-stop ako muna mag-video or ganon. Para kasi nahirapan na rin ako. Mga months ako di mag-post or years. Baka months lang, di naman years. Kasi nahirapan natin ako mag-YouTuber. Post din ako ng post. Nahirapan din ako mag-edit. Baka mag-stop lang ako maglaro-laro ng 1 month. At yung good news, baka di yung mangyari. Kasi sa Dead Rails na aray! Video! Aray ko, sakit na! Tinan niyo na buhay ko. Isang pitik na lang ng isang pitik na lang ng ng ilaw. Patay na ako. Wala pang bayo nakikita. So, baka bad luck ako. Yung good news naman, baka sa Dead Rails talaga mag-post ako. Kasi nahirapan na rin ako maging YouTuber. Oras na. Uy, i-raid ko ba? Pag nakakatakot, baka mamatay pa eh. Sasabihin nyo, bakit ako di sa computer or laptop? Kasi di ko kaya eh. Hindi pa edit. Hanap din ako ng Please Unicorn. Please Unicorn. Ay, yun oh. Ay, stop. Sanabi ko, please unicorn. Please lang, kailangan ng unicorn. Ba't yung whistle? Kung ba ito whistle, magulat talaga ako. Baka $5 lang to. Shovel. Dear Dad, patay na siya kapag meaning nun. Oh! Oh, tripwires. Maganda ba itong tripwires? Lang. Then, halin ko lang to. Ay! Oh, di ko ito makukuha. Di ko ito makukuha. Di ko ito makukuha eh. Bye. Bye. No thanks. Solo lang ako guys ha. Baka sabihin nyo may kasama, wala akong kasama. Ano mag-isa? Ito, lagay ko sa katabi ko. Lagay ko to dito. Di ko alam ba't. Sir ko lang yan. Tripwires. Baka lagay ko sa katabi ko. Oh, cool. So, mawala na din ako ng fuel. Itong last 12 ko na lang dyan. And I waste a lot. 9 PM na guys. Diretso na lang ako. May bahay. Babe. Ano siya, ref? 8 PM o 9 PM? Parang 9 PM. Sheriff, oh. Ganda na yun. Joke lang. Joke lang pala sinabi ko dun, Ay, may sell ko ba itong banjo? Asa mo na doon ang nalaban na so? Natakot naman ng sound. Mga doon nyo marinig, natakot yung sounds. So, naiba na itong banjo. Lang, tritinan ko lang. Swerte ko din pala sa banjo. Rare. Ano ba yan? Swerte ko din nakuha ko to. Try ko i-sell. Kung pwede lang to i-sell. Pwede. Walang mga ano? Labas na kayo. Diesel. Mga damn waste na ito. Hello. Getting my extrusive thoughts 1. Ano rin? Ano guys? Parang kunti lang siya. Tanga. Ano bang ano? Nag-spawn? Wala. Labas na kayo. Hindi ako takot. Hindi ako takot sa inyo. Labas na kayo. Ayun oh. Ayun pala sila oh. Lang. Sana kayo lumabas na kayo. Bilisan nyo lumabas. Ay. Ano yan? Oh, nakakatakot yung red moon. Isa lang. Ay, hindi naman pala. Marami. Nakatakot yung red. Yung sound effect pa lang nun 8 minutes na pala ako nandito. Balik ako guys kapag sa 30,000 na. Mas babalik ako. I am back. Ngayon, nakikita nyo yung parang hindi ko naman kailangan ng mga ganito. Dami. Okay. Gawin ako.
right. How are you guys liking the new train? How do you guys like it? I mean, I think it looks nice. It's pretty decorated as well.
Nakakainis to guys.
Dude, there's outlaws
Nakakainis to.
again. Dude. Alright. And outlaws, again, they're wanted, dead or alive, by the United States government, or the Mexico government. So yeah. Where are they? I'm getting better, don't worry. Oh my god. What? Dude. Oh my god, I almost just died. Dude, I almost died. I'm running away. I'm not even gonna... Dude, I don't even know where I died from. Dude, what is happening? Dude, I hit the build a boat glitch. Bro. No, I hit the build a boat glitch. No! Dude, there's no way. Oh my god, glitch. Oh my god. I was about to crash out. Dude, if you guys get that glitch, just unanchor something. Oh, dude, and it happened again. Calm down. Okay, I think what happens is if you weld too many things to your train, it just like glitches. This is just not worth my time. Alright, yeah, not worth my time. You know what? It's whatever. Yep, I'll lose it. I'll lose the sheriff and the two things.
Guys,
You know
kaya di ako nag-usap na,
it's better
galit
than
na ako.
losing everything. That's just a life lesson. But if you guys can just count how many dead bodies we have here, then I can think, oh my god, it's teleporting back. Oh my god, I'm dying, dude. I just popped both my snake oils because I was about to die. Oh my god. Dude, I just got like shot all the way down to orange, and I popped both my snake oils. Oh my god.
Finally,
Let's get to it. Dude, let's go. $150. Okay, now we're gonna do all the sheriffs, or the cowboys. I don't know why I keep calling them sheriffs. Oh wait, no, they're called outlaws. Dude, are you Oh wait, hold on. Wait, I didn't know you could collect the cash with the job. Alright, sweet. I wonder if I can complete that one challenge for 15 bonds. I think it was like eliminating 500 of these guys. I don't know exactly what it was, but you got a lot of bonds for it. Either way, we have $500 now. Oh wait, I completely forgot. I still have more vampires. Alright, $580. Again, keep in mind, we're following the law. We're not raiding any houses or towns or anything. So like this, you guys gotta admit, it's impressive. Alright, we bought ourselves 6... Oh, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, we bought ourselves 6 snake oils, so our entire inventory is full. Oh my god, yes. But I think what's gonna be more important is just buying the spawn. Wait, does it make you slower? Because I know the ironclad makes me health. We go that fast, right? Equip that. Alright, we're fine. Yeah, 2 of those. Then we're gonna buy one of these too. This is gonna protect us from like people just shooting us when we get to the end. So I didn't mention this, but overnight we had a werewolf night, which is nice because now we can get even more money. Dude, we have 10 werewolves. I really hope max armor does not make you slower unless you have Did I walk slower? You guys didn't walk. Alright, that's nice. Alright, fine. After like 2 nights of organizing, actually, hold on, there's some wild horses. It's 4 p.m. I think we have okay. There's some wild horses. Cute. Got the saddle. I'm not coming for you. I'm not coming for you. Don't worry. Just turn around. It's okay. We're just no. It's okay, little horse. Just go get stuck on the train so I can forcibly make you my horse. Yes, let's go. I got my own horse and get yours. Following all the lies. Alright. So, I think I'm gonna name you Rudolph Jr. How do you like that? Alright, let's just... There we go. Perfect. Alright, Rudolph Jr., you are gonna be my little companion, and you're gonna make me happy. Wait, dude, it's literally a fort. I really want to raid one of these. I've never successfully done it, but again, it's their property, and I can't just barge in, so yeah, so sad. Alrighty, we made it to these 6 checkpoints out of 8. Now, I don't want to get quite too greedy. I really just want to make sure I prepare for you. I don't want to die. All I want to do is just trigger the switch.
So, nahihirapan na ako guys. Malapit na rin ako. Ba't di ko na kailangan yun? Kasi sila na dalawang sides at alam ko na yung gagawin kong technique. Di ko na kailangan. Dahil ako na sa outfit ko kapag.
I know for a fact it's fine for now. I am scared. Yeah, we're just gonna take care of that. A cooked shotgun. Okay. That was pretty successful cleanup. Just cleaning up the dust in the air. We're gonna call you Bobby, we're gonna call you Millie, and we're gonna call you Ricky. Just random names I can remember. Nothing personal. You know, I actually wondered, now that they made bonds come in every single bank, I actually wondered how many bonds did I miss? You guys are gonna let me know. How many bonds did I miss? Okay, that was a pretty short ride, but we're making it to the last ever checkpoint we're gonna get. The next checkpoint, well, let's just be honest, the next checkpoint is gonna be a pretty good match. And I can totally have one. That's gonna be a match. But just in case, just go ahead and
Ang dalaga ko guys.
money
Wala
before we
naman
head out.
dun.
And we have a lot of coal, and I accidentally just popped the snake oil. Wow, nice. And we have a lot of coal, so we're just gonna unbuild. I'm gonna put that in, and I'm gonna put that in, and then just in case, we're gonna grab one for the road. If I can put it in. Alright. Oh my, no, you stupid chair. No, dude, the chair is actually like.
Sell ko na lang ito
Okay.
sa...
Yep, just one for the road. Not putting in, just one for the road. Alright. With all said and done, we are finally ready. We are going to be the first ever law-abiding citizen to hear the flag of Mexico. Let's go. 10,000 meters remain. We're good. Okay. Let's put in the extra
So,
fuel,
di ko na
'cause
to
we don't wanna end up going there,
kailangan.
running out of fuel,
Mamaya
and
kapag
anything like I did on
nag-checkpoint
my
na.
first
Kasi di
ever
pwedeng
run
kay...
through the game.
Wala ko na lang on
Gentlemen,
self ko
we
sa
are
loob
here at the
nito
border of
kasi...
Mexico. There's one problem.
Alam nyo na
There's just
bakit?
outlaws
Para
guarding.
ma-survive.
It's okay though, because I have sharpshooter. And I'll
So,
sit here and
diretso na lang ako sa next checkpoint. Hindi ko alam kung ab pa ako dito.
Gotta go a little closer. I could just jump. Oh my god, my voice was damaged. So, you're going through carefully and get going through. Yep, I see it. Good. Snake oil, double snake oil, yep, snake oil, yeah, that's right. Oh my god!
Parang kailangan ko talaga ng parang marami pang sniper.
Guys, I swear I just stopped sneakers. I'm not even reading, that's right. Why are the sheriffs so slow?
Pero kung nag lang ako nito. Kung narinig niyo yun guys, nanonood lang ako sa ano ko. Baka marinig niyo lang kasi nanonood din ako.
Oh my god, this is such a hassle, dude.
Nakaka-stress tong laro.
Why are they going so
Hindi ko na kailangan. Yung end pa, di ko... Nakakainis talaga itong laro.
Let's go.
Nakuwag ba sa kanya? Nakuwag pala to?
I escaped 98 bonds. I think we started like 28. I have 15 stars too. If I beat Dead Rose without robbing or doing anything, we can too. I'm out though.
Nanonood lang ako guys. Huwag niyo
Honestly,
kayo
I've been
mahal.
waiting for this class for a pretty long time now because who doesn't want to have the power to summon lightning? I'm of course talking about the one and only the priest. So today we're going to unlock this beautiful new class and test it, and most of all win with it to see if it's actually worth the money. Of course, I could get these bombs by farming for a couple of hours, or I could just buy them for Robux, which is exactly what I'm going to do because the more money I'll spend, hopefully the longer this game is going to stay free to play. I don't think that makes any sense though, but here it is, the priest for 75. Am I actually bald, or is it just a joke? I don't think it's a joke, bro. My hair is officially gone, but I get a beautiful necklace made out of 24 karat gold. That's pretty nice. Of course, guys, before getting to it, subscribe to the channel as well as enjoying Dead Rose. Thanks for all the support, boys. And yeah, here we go, straight to the action. Ooh, okay, so if you're a priest, you start with a holy water. No, not just one holy water. You start with 2 different holy waters. But you also get 2 crucifixes. Now, these are probably going to be really handy if you keep them. What if I just sell them? I mean, honestly, it's 75 bucks each. I want to make money. Legit, this might be like the easiest way to get a minigun if it works. Please tell me. Well, no, it won't let you sell it, dude. Why? Why won't you let me have... Why won't you let me have fun? Alright, what about the holy water? Maybe that one's gonna be... There's no way you can actually sell this. Oh my god, I feel like I'm cheating, bro. This is not the way this game is supposed to be run. Alright, well, I guess I'm keeping these. However, $160, I'm gonna be very irrational with my money. Now, even though
So,
some people
baka
might
ma-first
think
ko
I'm
tong
old and mature, but
first-
extra money spending, that's actually
I
not the
think
case.
I'm the
Basically,
first
4 years
guy
old when it comes to any financial
to
decision,
win,
including this one. We are gonna go for the big guns.
Dodgers,
I don't have any
but
coal, I don't have any
mobile. I think I'm the first person to do it.
But guess what? I have 100 ammo, I have a turret, and I got 3 newspapers to burn, and that's gonna be enough, right? So one of the biggest reasons this class is so good and so overpowered is because you're immune to lightning strikes. Could you believe it? I'm like an actual god. Once in a
Yeah,
while.
narinig nyo yung
But
dream,
lightning strikes are the most annoying thing in this game.
dream
And,
kong
just the fact that
class.
you don't have to worry about them anymore is straight up amazing. You know what's not amazing? The amount of
That's
fuel
my
I
dream
have, 'cause
class.
those 3 papers were just enough to get me to 1,000. Well. Hold on. You know what?
Parang di
Since
ko
I got
kailangan
2
siya.
of these, why not just
Yeah, di ko na
use
kailangan.
the first zombie, the powers, the sheer power you're going to expect.
Let's go now on the last ride.
Dude, it's just so cool.
Oras na?
3 band-aids. I guess-
11 pa lang. Agong, parang agong.
That's it.
Ay, wala na pala ako. Ano?
Next house is right there, so I guess if we like move a little bit, we'll be good to go. But this is bad. Like if I had anything else, this is honestly like the worst situation we could have been in. Of course, you guys are going to say it's because I got the machine gun, but you guys, it's just I know what makes me happy. That's the only thing that matters in life.
Bas ka
I gotta
naman.
stay happy. Having a
Simula kayo ng umaga.
machine gun by my side is something I will never take for granted.
Di ba na pinatuklas mo kanina? Ah, yung ka...
This is all I have, so come on, full speed.
Nagtutbrush ako
So
eh.
long this takes us, how far it takes us.
Di pa, wait lang.
Looking that good with us, I won't
I need
lie.
coal.
I've been in
Coal,
better
what I
situations in my
need.
life
I need
before. Yep,
coal.
that's it. Oh, dude, this is such
I
a
hate you.
clown fiesta. I can't believe it's already 3 p.m. We gotta...
655. Bili na ako amo.
Please tell me you got something good. Your store has to have at
Tanga.
least something to burn, right? Oh, dude.
Meron naman doon mga amo kaya...
That we can feel it if I can get it. It's getting the beating because that's not true. You guys don't understand the sweat and tears I had to put into this stitch to get these 2 calls in. Unless we find a town with a bank and are able to fund it within the time zone, because it's already 9 p.m. Dude, I actually have a couple of seconds left. Let's get it. One. Okay, I did not have a couple of minutes left. I don't think we're gonna get zombies this one.
Wait, I forgot. If di mo nagsundin
This
yun,
is heaven on earth for me. Alright, let's go, boys. Be careful, don't get hit by lightning. We don't want you to die in such a terrible way. Who's this guy doing? Come on, man, chill out. It's gonna be okay. $35.
yun lang kailangan ko, sir. Hindi ko na kailangan ni counter. May tama ba ako? Tama? May tama ba ako? Hindi ko naman kailangan to.
$5? $45?
Alipat na yun
Okay,
lang.
hold on, dude. I'm done with this game. You gotta be kidding me. There's no way this just happened to us. Dude, why did I feel I'm starting to
Okay,
have
babalik
big
ako guys
regrets.
kapag
Actually, no. Make that
9
zero
PM
regrets.
na.
It's gonna be okay.
I'm back. So, titignan ko na lang yung meters at kung nakikita ko na, dun na magbabarilan. Kasi kailangan ko talaga ibaril yung mga turrets. Baka yung pa kasi matay pa. Nainisip ko. Nainisip na ako. Naisip na ako. Wala na ako makapunta dito. Pag yun na lang ako. Ano mga baro sa akin? Tama, baro lang ni ano yung isa. Ano yun? Lapit na. Okay, stop muna tayo dito. Antayin lang natin
of items that we need. Alright, just to sum it up, this is all going forward. I mean, let's be honest, I do not need crucifix, not that many times. Holy water, on the other hand, we could probably keep one. No, probably we will get one. And one crucifix we have. Okay, we're going to start off by doing a little bit of trading. Crucifix, two. What's that? That's one golden statue. That was golden painting, I think. $237. Hold on, we might still have the golden painting inside, but we have 3 more bandits. Don't forget about those. Easiest money of my life. I mean, this is just pure happiness. Oh, we still got one of these. Dude, we gotta sell it. Since we have so many turrets, definitely gonna go for some turret ammo, even though it's
Paano ka nakaano?
you could probably afford it. And another dude, while I'm here, just not forget about it. Like, if it's
Ba't ka nahulog?
it'd be a shame if anything bad happened. I don't really need band-aids, by the way.
Paano ka nahulog, brother? How did you fall, brother?
Alright, how much for to sell it? This is so unfair. Well, I guess we're gonna do the triple turret strategy, boys. There's no way around it. And this one's just gonna push it a little further out so we can
Takot
actually
naman
shoot
nun
the wood.
itong
Yeah,
zombie
like
na
that.
yun.
Perfect. Oh, good
I
point,
can-
man. You know what, dude? I don't care about golden gate training anymore. Let's get the guns and let's get out of here. Okay, $237. So just so it's completely logical, we're gonna drop this one, get a rifle for sure. I'm absolutely not. I refuse to play with anything else but the golden rifle. A little bit of ammo, really small amount, just in case the players who are looking to take okay. Perfect. So we've got basically all the guns we need. Now we put the rest where it should belong. Of course, it's so expensive. Can I just complain about it for a second there? Here's my $80. I've literally, I didn't buy that. I only bought 300 bullets. That's not enough because to truly have fun with a minigun, that's at least $1,000.
Oh.
So
Nagulat naman
we
yun.
should
Kaya
all
nagulat
work.
ako.
We're
Nagulat
all
ako.
basically connected and we're good to go. Full speed ahead. How much time is it? 9 a.m. Yeah, we're doing really good on time as well. Really look at that. Alright, we definitely gotta stop here. Hey, the only thing I'm missing right now is a horse. Dude, there's no way. Oh, it's like a blessing. The desert gods are following me. This is so smooth.
I'm the
Yeah,
first
look at that.
guy who
So
did
good.
this.
So cool. And the only thing is, like, they could have added like, just a little bit more. But like, let's be honest, it's a mine after all. Like, this place should be packed up with coal. It's like 4 coal is not enough. You know, I'm actually gonna let that bandit load until you can actually take his
Joke
body
lang
as well.
naman,
So have a
sir.
good day. Alright. I feel like other people should have a good day as
Wala
well.
naman
And
ito.
also,
Ang patay na din.
we still need to visit the town to get a bank robbery, a successful bank robbery, especially after what just happened to us a bit ago. And then we're gonna go straight to the fortress because that place is gonna be really crucial for us, especially if we want to pack up for the final battle. The good thing about doing the boss fight this time is we're gonna pop the holy water and possibly use the crucifix on him as well. Hold on, that's a wolf camp, but they have two big wolves. That's not even gonna happen. This is a big wolf family. I should probably just stay away from it. They're still chasing me. Just pull up my minigun on them. Nah, you know what? Enjoy your day. I mean, if I saw this train, honestly, I would not.
Kinakabahan na ako guys. Ako yung I'm the first guy to ever win this. Baboy. Ando ko pala horse ko. Nakalimutan ko. Lapit lang ako konti.
Wait, you step on a crucifix? Wait, my crucifix? Dude, you're not expecting that in real life? I just paid $75. Just, I hope you feel bad. Would you believe it? They have just taken it away from me. Oh, and by the way, this is a huge town. There's no way we're gonna have enough time to get out. I don't know if that made any sense, by the way. Sometimes I'm just saying words and I'm hoping they're making sense. What's this guy doing? He's getting it's gonna be nighttime really soon. Let's just get zombies. And you know what? Let's just go for some holy water. We do not have enough time for anything else. Holy water seems like a reasonable thing to do. Come on, chill out. Anything to see here? Wow, would you look at that? This is legit like that. This is one of the biggest towns. What's this? This feels like wolves. That would suck. I mean, we got snake oil, so I'm not panicking, but still, it's only for the best here. No, it's super dark as well. Yeah, the snake oil.
pala, dun pala.
Hit a single bullet on me.
Oh my god, kinakabahan na ako guys. I'm the first person to win in mobile. So guys, bibilisan ko na lang yung ano ko.
You know who I am? Huh? That's right. Exactly. No, even better.
Kung bababilisan ko na lang to para mukhang DC. Kasi parang sabi nyo,
That hurts.
parang fake eh. Baka sabihin nyo lang, fake yun eh.
Keep in mind guys, this is $35 for each. I'm not gonna complain.
Ayun, PM na. Papabilisan ko na ako.
One? Yeah, just one.
Eh yo, kasi yung hindi nag-gold sa'yo.
What's this guy doing? We'll take all this. I have to go over to 4. Can't believe this. Okay, what do we do here? What do we do here? I have no idea. Are you gonna go over this? I really love, I love stuff. Okay, maybe revolver. Oh, dude, there's just so much stuff here. I can't leave this here. Can I apply depot? Dude, I don't even know if we want to take the cannon. It's such a bad idea, but of course I'm gonna take it because you guys love cannons, don't you? I guess now we just need to stop at 60k to get the the electrocuting gun, and we're done. And here we are. This was this again. That's my base.
Be right back.
It's,